Alright, this is my stash update. Alright, I got another one, a little small, cover your ears, world class. Battle from world class, another one of those. Adults only from world class. I got these tiger tails from Great Grizzly. Them bad boys look good. I got these world class firecrackers. See those? Of course, you know I have to pick up a couple boxes of the X-Cals. Yeah. I got the Arabian Nights. I don't know who that's by, but I just demoed it the other day, so I'm going to put that video on soon. Here's this crazy exciting about world class. Got these nice rockets with a jet screamers. That's from world class. Got the voodoo candles I had from last year. I had them last year. They're from Pyro Predator. Some nice candles too. And I got these rockets. They're from brothers called Bonsai. Some nice rockets. Like that overview. It's another stash update. Let me know what y'all think. Comment, rate, subscribe. And yeah, I got everything for $300. Not a bad deal.